Come here, buddy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Scout. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. You don't know how to leash, do you? You don't know how to walk on a leash. You don't. Come here. Wanna go down this hill? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. That's a very tiny stream. That's not normal. Good boy. Come here, come here. Good boy. It's just a car. Welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Matt, and this dog is Scout. He is very nervous. He does not know how to use a leash. Come here. He just peed all over that while he was standing there licking me. He has urinary issues. I don't know if you can see it, but his stream is super tiny because he has a super tiny opening of his preputial orifice.
I feel very strange lately. Last night, I dreamt we had 20 children.
Peggy, you know I can't give you more children. I have a narrow urethra.
Not very good with the leash. Not very comfortable doing this. Good boy. Good boy. Scout is a homeless dog. He is our newest Vet Ranch patient, and he's still peeing. Look, as he's standing here, he has two little tiny streams coming out. That is not normal. We've been out here for about 5 minutes and he's been constantly walking around with these two little streams coming out. He can control when to pee, he just does not have a normal large stream coming out. His opening is tiny. So we're gonna go ahead and anesthetize him today and see if we can fix that. Good boy, you're a good boy, Scout boy. We just gave Scout some drugs. He looks a little sleepier than he did before. Hey buddy, he's still awake. He just now laid his head down. We're just getting him ready for surgery, about to stick a catheter in him, and then we will roll him over and see what we got to work with. We have him under anesthesia now. So first of all, you can see that he is like yellow. He just is stained yellow from urine just constantly spraying backwards at his back legs and all under here. So he does have a penis, it feels like, right there. What are you laughing about? This is serious work in here. But the opening is right there, and it is so tiny. I mean, it is literally a pinpoint. So I think that if we can just make that opening normal sized, should work. It should be fine after that, Dr. Jackie. While we have him under, we are also going to neuter him. So getting ready for surgery. I'll see you there. So here is, this hole is actually really hard to find, but that's it. That little dot, that little red dot is the opening. It is so tiny. And I've actually stretched it out by putting this in there. So what I'm gonna do, that's our opening right there. I'm just gonna open that up and make it bigger. And I think that's all we're gonna have to do. I'm gonna look at the tip of the penis too and make sure that it's normal inside there. But I bet it is normal, and we'll just have to open up that preputial orifice there. I'm just gonna go in with scissors and try to open this hole up a little bit. And basically, I don't know what I'm gonna find in here. We're exploring to see what we can find. So I have it all opened up. I looked at his penis, I exteriorized it, everything looks normal, so all I need to do now is suture the inside lining of his prepuce to the outside skin here and create a bigger opening. So I think we fixed him.
I'm sorry.
Grow up, Jackie. Hey, Jackie.
Yeah.
Penis. Just finished surgery. So here is his new preputial orifice. It will look a lot better in a few days when it heals up. And then I neutered him as well, so we're gonna wake him up now. Bud, I know. He's attacking me. day after surgery, you can tell he's feeling pretty good. You're supposed to be like sick and sleepy after surgery day, you know? But all's going well here. He can pee normally. He's feeling fine, as you can see. Yeah! And he's way more crazy with the cone on. All right, we'll keep you updated. Probably give you an update in like a week or something. Good boy. It's been a few weeks since Scout's surgery. You can see he's feeling like $1,000,000 out here. Nice brisk morning air has Scout running wild. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Scout's time with us is coming to an end. He's a good old boy. We're gonna try to get him to a foster home so that he can have a family, maybe even a real home, a final home, so he can have a family. Come on, come on, come on. I would hold him upside down and show you how good his surgery site looked right now if I could. Believe me, I tried. This dog has so much energy and he would not hold still enough for you to see anything. But trust me, everything's perfect, everything works perfect, looks good. We got a happy, healthy dog. So thanks for watching Vet Ranch. Thanks for supporting Abandoned Pet Project because they support dogs like Scout. We love you and we'll see you next time.